Hi, I'm Mike Ditto, and this is my first YouTube video. I'm making this video to explore the idea of starting my own YouTube channel. I'm a big fan of a lot of the maker, electronics, teardown, technology websites and YouTube channels, and I've been wondering if I have what it takes to make my own videos that might be interesting to people. So I've been watching some of my favorite channels, and I think I'm ready to give it a try, because basically the main ingredients for your own YouTube channel are a camera. Mine's not the best, but I think it'll do. You of course have to have a green cutting mat, and I've got that covered. So what else do you need? Oh, you need some high-tech laboratory test gear. I've got all the latest and greatest stuff here. And oh yes, if you're going to be doing any teardowns, especially with lithium-ion batteries, you've got to have an explosion containment tin, and I've got the most stylish explosion containment tin on YouTube, I'm pretty sure. What else do you need? Some people use puppets for some reason. I don't know if that's for me, but just in case, I've got some. And oh, and I've got plenty of evaporest. I'm sure that'll be good for something. That'll come in handy. So yeah, I think I've got all the necessary ingredients. The next question, of course, is what should I make videos about? My interests are software engineering as a career, and I've been dabbling in basic digital electronics and tinkering and repairs and just general maker type skills. So I'd like to make some videos about that kind of thing. I'm definitely interested in retrocomputing. I will probably be getting out my old TRS-80 equipment and getting that restored and operating and relearning how to use it. I also have Amiga equipment that I used to use, and AT&T Unix PC was a big part of my home computing life and self-education for several years. In more recent times, I've been doing some cloud computing projects. I can talk about those. Get it? Cloud computing. Go cloud, go. There we go. And what else? Yeah, I can make some videos about some gadgets I've made and things I've restored. We've got this little gizmo here that used to be a desk clock. I've had it for, I don't know, at least 35 years, and I gave it a brain transplant to make it a little bit more programmable. And here's another project I could talk about at some point. This is a TRS-80 Model 100, which I restored and made some enhancements to. Just as a hint, I'll show you that if you open the telecom application and connect, you start getting a blinking blue LED. And this computer was designed and manufactured in 1983, before blue LEDs had been invented, so you know it's up to some kind of mischief there, and I will leave that a mystery for now. Yeah, so I think I'm going to go ahead and start making a few videos and see how they go. And I hope some of you will see me around on YouTube. Give me some comments if there's anything that sounds interesting, and I'll try to make some videos that are enjoyable. See you around.